A southwest Baltimore row home collapsed this morning as a neighboring family just barely escaped. It happened early this morning on Ramsey Street. The fire department says luckily there were no injuries as the structure was vacant. However, it may have been under construction. Neighbors say the house was being rehabbed without permits, but were surprised to literally see it come down this morning.
The cloud alone, once the cloud cleared and I could see what had transpired, I was actually kind of shocked because of the way the house actually went down. It almost looked like a controlled demolition.
Coming up at 6 o'clock, we dig a little deeper into this collapse and tell you about the family that narrowly escaped.